We're here at Intermountain Bird Observatory. It is run through BSU, and we're hoping we're going to catch some
owls,
hawks, and
songbirds.
Yep. Stay tuned. We hope we get some.
Hi, I'm Seth.
And I'm Joncee. Together with our son Eman and our dog Luna,
we're going on adventures
and remodeling a Shasta.
You're just high-centered a little bit on that water bar.
You've arrived.
We've been here once before. A long time ago, about 4 years ago, we were hiking and we hiked up Shaw Mountain, which is this mountain, and we came to the top and there were some people catching falcons, and we were like, what in the world? And Eman got to release one. It was pretty cool.
2.
And ever since, he's been asking to come back, and we finally made it. And he can't wait to be woken up in the middle of the night for
Owls.
If you do decide to come here, you do have to make a reservation on their website. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to do that if you want. They suggest a $25 donation. You can choose to bring your own tent, or you can camp in one of their 2 wall tents available.
The wall tents have warming fireplaces in them. Okay, unloaded all my junk and head back to the car for another load. There's a hole in our tent.
The hole is from a windstorm we were caught in, and Luna was not having it and busted out the side of the tent.
So I finished setting up my tent. I couldn't find a pillow at the house, so I just put a bunch of clothes in the sleeping bag and stuff sack. And on this trip, I will be reading The Screaming Staircase.
Use this little BRS pocket rocket stove. It's small, very easy to set up. We'll link it below. This is really good. I super like it. I hadn't tried the Italian meatball from Next Mile, but I think it's my new favorite.
Have these nets, and they go all the way up about 8 feet or so. And you might see that they're kind of baggy. And so what we're hoping to do is that an owl comes along, a bird comes along, and they fly into this, and they fall into this little baggy pocket here. You hear our call going here? Anybody know what that owl is that we're calling for? It's called a northern saw-whet owl, which we hopefully will get. So each band has a unique number. So when we put this on this bird, he'll have a unique number, sort of like your social security number, something like that. And they have this chemical called porphyrin. And then under a black light, it shines really, really, really bright pink, a new feather. Flammulated is kind of a weird word. It actually means flame-shaped or flame-colored. And you look at this line of feathers on the back, that's where they get their name.
Where's the silhouette?
Oh, this is a smaller, huh?
So
Here's
this
a nice one of the two.
Oh, look at this guy. Look at him.
So give him another bounce. So right now I'm checking his wings for flight feather molts or for any kind of parasites or anything that might be in there.
I'm gonna release a bird. Whoa.
What's your plan for breakfast?
I'm gonna heat up the water, make myself some peanut butter hot chocolate, and also some cereal.
So this is the summit of Lucky Peak. This is the USGS survey marker. And down there is a hawk blind we're gonna go check out.
We can't catch any hawks because the hawk trapper is sick. Hopefully we will be able to catch some hawks next time.
So these pulleys attached to a rope, and the rope goes all the way into the blind over there. Right there is a little hook where they put some bait. It actually looks like fishing gear, but they'll actually tie a bird to there and use the bird as bait. It's pretty humane. The bird is like, it's kind of the bird's job to be bait for the hawks. The hawks come in trying to catch the bird that's attached to the line there, and we get caught in this net. Trapper will make the bird like jump and fly, looks like it's flying around, because it's bait for the hawks. And hawks like to catch things that are alive, right?
Yeah. They like alive stuff better than dead stuff. But vultures love dead stuff.
Thanks for joining us on our trip to Intermountain Bird Observatory.
Like the video if you liked it.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye. All the things.
Looks like it's working. doing? Mom, you're messing me up.
I'm just filming you,
Go.
filming me, filming you.